this was everything that came in my package. Like, I loved every single one of them, definitely using them. And the star of the show we're working with this week, 24 inches. This is the reddish brown Spanish coil 13 by 4 HD lace frontal wig. Ooh, the strands of this hair is giving. And as usual, combs to help the hair sit well, elastic band, very necessary because you know your girl has a very small head. And the inside of the wig looks so clean. Oh god, the strands of the hair. This hair is giving every single thing it's supposed to give. And I love the fact that the lace is transparent. Like, you can see the lace, very nice, super beautiful. And this is just me wearing the wig straight out of the bag, looking nice, looking cute. I love the strands of this hair, and I'm also in love with this hair color. Of course, I got the help of my hairstylist. The only thing we did behind the camera was he powdered my lace before installing, and that was it. Let's get right into it, guys. Do not go anywhere. So right now, he's spraying, because it's supposed to be like a glueless. You guys know that I've been avoiding glue. You know I'm running from glue. So he's just spraying the melting spray on my hairline and drying it up before putting the wig or the frontal or the lace on my head. And that was just all we did right here. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Guys, this color suits me so well. Like, I think this is the first time I'm trying this kind of color, and I'm really loving it. I'm also assisting him holding down the lace because this wig has to melt. It has to melt. We have to use this band first to hold the wig because it's smaller and more precise. We have a particular spot we're trying to hold down, and to give it that extra hold, we're using this elastic band from Geeta Hair. Oh guys, wait for it. I love it. I love everything about this brand, and I'm so happy and glad that they reached out to me and sent me, I think they sent me their best hair. There's nothing you're telling me. They sent their best girl their best hair, and I really love the fact that this wig suits me. It's giving like the color. I'm not so much of a color person, but I'm actually feeling this color on me. I'm feeling the look already on me. Down to the parts that I do not like hot comb. My hairstylist almost burnt me. He burnt me. Let me not lie. But like you guys know, beauty is pain. But that hurts really bad. But it wasn't that bad. I think I was just being dramatic. So guys, keep watching this video. Do not go anywhere, and I'll be back soon. Okay, this is a look. There's nothing you're telling me. This is a beautiful, a gorgeous look. This is the wig dried, no water, no mousse, no conditioner, absolutely nothing. This is a wig texture straight out of the box, and it's giving. I love this dry look because it's giving this like full vibe, crazy girl vibe, and we decided to try the wet look. This is my hairstylist spraying water on me and not this wig, because I feel he's doing it purposely to just make me smile and go just plain sharp. And this is him spraying water, and I think he has mixture of conditioner in the water, and this is the way it look, guys. This wig, there's nothing you're telling me. This wig is gorgeous. This wig is everything. Remember when I spoke about the strands of this wig? It's beautiful. No shredding at all, and the texture was so soft. You can even see it from the way my hairstylist is dragging. You can feel the texture, so soft and lightweight. Beauty. So this week is perfection, and with Black Friday and Christmas around the corner, it's one week I would tell you you should not miss. You should not even miss this week. As I'm talking to you now, please go to the website. Please do. I did not say you should push anybody down. There is enough wig for everybody. Just hurry now to Geeta Hair website and get yourself this wig. This particular brand is one I enjoyed shooting this vlog. Like, I enjoyed reviewing this wig. This is even more than a review because I love the fact that this particular wig was sent to me. The strands, the texture, the softness of this wig is perfection. And remember, I told you guys in the beginning of this video that this is actually 24 inches. 24 inches zoom. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you'll be getting this wig anytime soon because you need it for this Christmas. I need everybody shining and glowing this Christmas. Please, if you know you've not subscribed, kindly do that now. If you know you've not liked our video, kindly do that now, and you're welcome to the family. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.